Okay, following from the last video where we got our model moving, we duplicated an armature, which is not necessarily the most efficient way of achieving what the effect we wanted, but it was certainly the quickest at the time. So I'm now going to go ahead and amend that by selecting the top layer, and I'm going to change the armature, which will remove the poses and animation to start off with. And now I'm going to have to recreate that. So I'll start from that point there, and luckily my transform points are giving me some snapping, so it wasn't a massive issue. And then I'm going to delete the orphaned parts of the body. There we go. Get rid of this layer. And now I've got two layers, but the body and the head are not repeated. So what I want to do is change the poses again. So back to the selection tool. There we go. And the end point to return the leg back to where it was. Maybe just a little bit above that. So again we've got the animation. So I'll just test it again. Okay, and there we go. And so on the main timeline, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to change the scale of this model using transform. It is a little bit big. Link those together. 90%. And then I'll just return to the first keyframe, sorry, to the last keyframe, because that will scale down. So I'll make sure that he's at 90% of both points, and that's followed through. So he should fit onto the screen a little bit. But I can just move this up here. There we go. Okay, that's the end of that example.